Good day, potential buyer, and welcome as I'm about to take you through this beautiful home behind me for a $15 million deal. So let's start from the outside. You have a pedestrian gate separate from your driving gate that leads you into your carport that takes you into your home into a long running corridor with 3 bedrooms along the side with their own bathrooms. You have your sunken living room where you can have your guests to entertain, and the TV room where the kids can play and watch their television. You also have a lovely powder room, kitchen, dining room, as well as your washroom area. On the back end, you will have your patio that has enough space to even entertain guests. Also, the ceilings are just not the cliche type of flat structure, but a tray type structure to give more dynamism and more drama and flair to the interior of this